Okay, welcome back. Let's now turn our attention back to the market at an index level and what the broader markets perhaps may do. Anuj is standing by with a quick sense of how he's looking at things. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. You know what? Again, one of those days where I have a, premonition of a big rally, maybe 150 point rally on the Nifty today. It's possible the market's done that last week once, and it's possible that you have that today. Today's weekly options expiry as well. You know, it's very crucial 2 days for the markets. You have the earnings season officially kicking off today with Infosys and Wipro. There's a US inflation data which comes out today, and in that sense, the HCL Tech and Wipro's numbers also tomorrow. So a lot of action would be around the IT companies. As I said, there's weekly options expiry. Nasdaq rallied yesterday. The US 10-year bond yield briefly slipped below the 4 mark once again, though it's now back above that. So I think all of this perhaps could be helping. And the other reason is, if you look at the trade setup, there's been a lot of selling from the FIIs in index futures, 640 crores in index futures and 1100 crores in stock futures. And within index futures, 229 crores in Nifty futures and 410 crores in Bank Nifty futures. And normally the next day you see a bit of a short covering. So that's also another reason that I believe that there could be 150 point rally today. On the Nifty, the first support is 21,500 to 21,525 and the biggest support is 21,448, yesterday's low. But the verdict of the last 2 days is that the Nifty is not willing to break 21,500 on a closing basis. And it's strong as long as it's holding that on close. So let's see. The Bank Nifty is still not out of the woods, but on Bank Nifty, now that the pressure of Fin Nifty's expiry and Bank Nifty's own expiry is out of the way, perhaps that could be the index to track intraday today. The first resistance is 47,450 to 47,500, the 20-day EMA zone. And if it starts to trade above that, my sense is it could even target 47,800 to 48,000. Again, it's a market which is day traders' paradise, not perhaps for positional traders, but both-sided moves could continue for some time.
Anuj, I'll tell you what, if today also we get that 150-point rally, I'll start calling you the Oracle of Worli maybe, because I remember last week out of nowhere, we had no cues, and Anuj said that my gut is saying that we'll get a 150-point bounce, and well, that's how it played out. So let's see if this happens this time as well. Thank you very much for joining in with the setup today.